Welcome there, my viewer. This is your friendly neighborhood astronomer, Njoroge Moses. I'm going to show you how I used Stellarium to achieve that movement of the 4 main Jovian moons of planet Jupiter. I used this open source software known as Stellarium. Download it, install it in your machine, enter the necessary settings like location, window, where you're viewing from, date and time and all that. I have done a small basic introduction on this software known as Stellarium. Check out that video, you'll get a good feel on how to use it. So I am recording today at around 11:30 a.m. The sun is slightly there overhead, almost overhead. I want to show you how to achieve that Jovian moons moving around planet Jupiter. So what you do first, you change your time here to night time if you want, or alternatively you press A to remove the atmosphere so that it can be seen as if it's at night. And then the next thing you do, you remove the ground by pressing G, and then you come here, you will see the search window written F3 or search window. Press on it, you enter whatever you want to focus on, Jupiter for in this case. Then you press enter. Stellarium is going to focus on whatever you have entered, and in this case it's Jupiter. Once you have done that, ensure that these 4 arrows are highlighted so that when you zoom in, you are able to go to that particular object. Use your mouse key, just zoom in, or use page up to zoom in, page down to zoom out. So let's zoom in quickly. When we zoom in, that's, I've zoomed in a lot, but you have gotten what I've been doing. So there you have a good view. You have Ganymede, you have Io and Europa, and Callisto there on top. These are the 4 main moons that were discovered by Galileo. Astronomers believe Jupiter has around between 80 to 90 moons. Some say 64 moons. Out of them, 34 of them have names that have been given to them. So let's watch them move around this planet. You press this forward button here, or you press L, keyboard shortcut. Actually, these keyboard shortcuts can be found here on the help window. If you look at it, you will learn more about them. When you press it again, you can see they are starting to move. So you can see Ganymede, Io, Europa and Callisto as they move around this gas giant planet Jupiter. If I press it a little bit more, I click it, you'll see they will start to move a little bit faster. So that is how you use this software Stellarium to zoom in into planet Jupiter. It's a good software that can be used by amateur and professional astronomers. Very simple, very good looking graphics. On the side here, it gives you more information on whatever you have highlighted, and in this case it's Jupiter. You can see it's a planet. You can see the distance from the sun, 4.9 astronomical units. The distance, I think, from Earth, 3.98 astronomical units. Orbital velocity, 13.653 kilometers. Equatorial diameter, and so on and so much is given about this planet. If you want to set it back to normal time, over here you can click on that and it will move to the normal time, or it will start to move in normal time. So let's go back to Earth. What you do, just zoom out. You zoom out there, you can see the moon is coming into focus. It means now our field of view is increasing as you zoom in. As you zoom out, sorry, it's increasing. So let me return my ground. I press G. So Jupiter is below the horizon. That's what you have seen. It has just disappeared below that horizon. So that's how you go back. I press A to remove the atmosphere, and we have gone back to the 29th at around 9:52 a.m. So my viewer, that is basically how you use this software to check on the heavenly bodies that you want to check on. Thanks for watching this short video clip. Kindly watch the rest that I've made on astronomy. Bye bye. See you in the next one.